Biathlon means the biathlon is created by combining the disciplines of cross-country running with target shooting. This is a Greek word that refers to an athletic competition that consists of two events that are held consecutively. Skiing while carrying a rifle was a common way of life in Scandinavia for many years. The first modern biathlon was hosted by the Norwegian military in 1912, marking the beginning of the sport. The modern Olympic biathlon was introduced for the first time at the 1960 Games held in Olympic Valley, California. The women's sport was not introduced until the 1992 Games. There are now 11 different events. 1. Combined relays. 2. Women's 15 km individual, women's 7.5 km sprint. 3. Women's 10 km pursuit. 4. Women's 4 by 6 km relay. 5. Women's 12.5 km mass start. 6. Men's 20 km individual, men's 10 km spring, men's 12.5 km pursuit. 7. Men's 4 by 7.5 km relay, men's 15 km mass start. The races are run according to a time limit, and if a competitor misses a shooting target, additional time is added to their overall time. The exception to this rule is the pursuit events. In those, the individuals who finished first in their respective individual competitions will have a head start on the overall race, while the individuals who finished second through fifth will begin the competition based on the times they achieved in their most recent race.